Guide on how to execute a 401k to Gold IRA rollover without penalty in 2024. Navigating retirement planning can be complex, especially when considering a 401k to Gold IRA rollover. This guide will help you execute a rollover without penalties in 2024, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and protect your assets. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that invests in physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium instead of traditional assets. It serves as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Why consider a Gold IRA rollover? 1. Diversification adds precious metals to your portfolio, reducing risk. 2. Inflation hedge, gold often retains value when paper currency weakens. 3. Asset protection, gold is a safe haven during economic instability. How to execute a 401k to Gold IRA rollover. 1. Check eligibility, ensure you qualify for a rollover and understand IRS rules. 2. Choose a custodian, select a reputable Gold IRA custodian with a solid track record. 3. Open a Gold IRA account. Complete the required paperwork with your chosen custodian. 4. Direct rollover. Instruct your 401k administrator to transfer funds directly to your Gold IRA. 5. Select metals. Choose IRS-approved precious metals for your investment. 6. Secure storage. Store metals in an IRS-approved depository. 7. Monitor investment. Keep track of your investment and market conditions. Avoid early withdrawals to prevent penalties, understand all fees, and stay updated on IRS regulations to ensure compliance. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.